go, go!
Get ready for an incredibly thrilling performance. Witness the massive chainsaw machines and powerful stump removal excavators tackle astonishing challenges with unmatched speed and strength, from precisely cutting down massive trees to uprooting the most stubborn stumps. This is the pinnacle of technology, power, and precision in forestry management. Let's dive into the spectacular journey. Enjoy this moment. I'm certain this is one of the largest cedars you'll ever see taken down. It takes a great deal of expertise to do this safely. This guy make it look effortless.
Go, go, go!
That's huge. That's huge.
Feast your eyes on the Peterbilt 359, a gleaming chrome beast that roars in defiance of the electric vehicle revolution. With its 346 cat engine, a powerful mechanical heart, it stands as a tribute to the era when diesel reigned supreme. Let's admire the power of the Carlton SP715 stump grinder, which stands out with its 60 horsepower Deutz diesel engine. It boasts a 35-inch width, allowing it to cut up to 15 inches below ground and reach 43 inches above ground, with a 70-degree rotation angle, making stump removal quick and efficient. Watching each precise cut is truly a sight to enjoy, isn't it? If yes, leave a comment below. It's dangerous. Workers face constant danger as long, decayed trees stand on the verge of collapsing. Wow, take a moment to appreciate the massive size of that tree trunk. Has it stood tall for centuries, silently witnessing the flow of history? Just imagine the intricate furniture that could be crafted from this majestic old tree. Pretty incredible, right, folks? This was an impressive display of precision driving. The operator showcased exceptional skill, expertly controlling the machine with precise throttle application to maintain momentum and smoothly traverse difficult terrain. The Komatsu XT465L5 harvester stands out in forestry work due to its advanced technology for efficient wood processing. It is equipped with a Cummins QSL9 engine, delivering 331 horsepower at 1,600 RPM, along with environmentally friendly performance. Its rugged design ensures exceptional reliability and efficiency, even under harsh conditions.
Whoa!
Oh no, that's quite disappointing. If it were me, I wouldn't hire these people. Marvel as this powerful excavator effortlessly tears massive tree stumps from the earth, clearing the terrain with the force of a tempest. Its raw power and unmatched precision turn a formidable challenge into a captivating performance, echoing nature's own might in reshaping the forest landscape. Are you afraid of heights? Brace yourself for an exhilarating climb alongside this guy. His jaw-dropping performance will leave you amazed. With unmatched climbing prowess, unshakable determination, and expert precision, he conquers towering trees hundreds of feet high with astonishing ease. The uncontrollable force of nature that we are simply striving to adapt to. Equipped with wheels as tough as armor, this vehicle excels at the most demanding tasks, effortlessly maneuvering through muddy forest trails and challenging terrain. Its capability to conquer the wild is both remarkable and vital for effective forest management. These are the true, classic lumberjack. It's spectacular to watch them fell each tree with such remarkable skill and precision. Truly, he represents a masterful class of craftsmanship. Man, that's a tough ascent. You can practically sense the Mac R600 straining with every move, but that's where the D5 tractor steps in to assist. It's all about collaboration to ensure the task is accomplished effectively. Look at that. This vehicle is like a roaring beast. The driver truly is extraordinary. Amidst the towering mountain slopes, a skilled lumberjack makes precise cuts into an ancient tree, his chainsaw echoing like a thunderclap. This moment, where human skill meets the majesty of nature, evokes a powerful sense of reverence and wonder for the forest's time-worn guardians. The Husqvarna 572 XP and the Steel MS462C, locked in a fierce duel of strength and precision. Which one will come out on top? This man might just be the unluckiest person of the year. His wife is bound to be absolutely livid. Behold the mastery of this sawmill system. The Mibor SDH400, paired with the VC900D multi-blade saw, transforms massive logs into precise boards like a true magician. This machine can process 200 to 300 cubic meters of wood per shift, with seamless coordination between its blades and belts, turning raw timber into smooth, usable materials with remarkable accuracy. The MBR 900 drum cutter is a drum cutting attachment for Komatsu excavators, used in construction and demolition. Weighing 1,400 kilograms, it features a hydraulic flow rate of 150 to 250 liters per minute and a maximum pressure of 350 bar. experience its superior power and precision. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't forget to click on the video at the corner of the screen to check out more captivating videos. See you in the next one.